Aloha and welcome to our ukulele exploration. I would like to share with you a version of the arrangement of Over the Rainbow by Brother Iz, or Israel Kamakavivo Ole, the wonderful Hawaiian ukulele player and singer. If someone sees you with an ukulele, you may get a request for this song. Now, Iz passed away in 1997, but this version is loved worldwide. On YouTube, it has almost 1 billion hits. Now, Iz moved things around. He changed some of the lyrics, he moved melody, chords, progression around, and it's a little different than the Wizard of Oz version, but it is well loved and it's a beautiful arrangement. And it's got 2 chords which may be new to you. A C major 7 as in the first measure, that's the 1st string, 2nd fret, and an F add 9 as in the 5th measure, that is just the 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and those come back throughout the piece. So that major 7 add 9 gives us a beautiful, very light feel. Now for the strum, you'll see on the 2nd page, you can do that either as all 16th or as 8 and 16ths. And I'm playing the 4th string on the 1st and 3rd beats with my thumb, which gives you a nice kind of separated feeling between the bass and the chords. And then finally you'll see little X's on the 2nd and 4th beat. If you'd like to add a little slap or tap, you can do that for a little extra rhythm. So again, it is my joy to share with you Over the Rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, you dream of dreams really do come true. Someday I'll wake upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, why can't I? Oh, someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Oh,